Welcome, welcome, one and all to the land of death. Trinity to the bone, Trinity to the bone.
Before we get to the video, guys, I want to say a few birthday shout-outs. Happy birthday to Uas, aka Candy, and I also want to say happy birthday to Peggy. I hope you guys enjoy your day, have many, many more, and a last special birthday shout-out to my boy, Just Jake. All right, here's to you, boy. Pass the liquor. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed. And on to the video. So check it out, guys. This is our score from Canada. You would think we went to Trinidad, because usually when we go to Trinidad, we bring back a score of stuff. But we brought back a bunch of stuff from Canada. So I want to say big up to my Didi Sunita and big up to my brother Robin, all right, for helping us get all this stuff, the goodies. I don't think we left any Viva Puffs left in Canada after, you know, the amount that we have here. But Viva Puffs, guys, that's a must. All right, those are awesome, especially, well, whenever. These are some of my favorites too. Probably my favorite are these peak Freens. There's been different names, like I guess Christy owns it and stuff. There's been different names, but those are the bomb. You know, we had to load up on some tandoori masala mix, guys. Check it out. Boom. I think I got enough of that till probably summer next year, because I still have some bottles in the cupboard. We got some chocolates here, coffee crisps. We got some Smarties. And you know, when you're either Trinidad or, you know, Canada, Europe, you got to get yourself some chocolates, some Cadbury's there. Yeah. There it is, guys. What I've been dying to have for a while is some of my Nescafe Canadian coffee. So I'm loaded up here thanks to Didi. All right. So that is what I really, really needed, was some more of that. She also hooked us up with some fresh cardamom, guys. You know, if you bake or cook with cardamom, this stuff is very expensive. They get it in bulk over there, and they get it a lot cheaper than we do here. So thank you so much, Sunita, for that. So we loaded up on that. These look like a chocolate cookie, almost kind of like Oreos, but it's like chocolate on chocolate. I never had them, but they look darn good. Some spoons. Never go wrong with having more spoons, guys, when you're cooking. This is an actual wire rack that sits on top of our glass stove, right? That makes sada with, right? And it raises right on top of that. So big up for getting us that. Also, these are like little nets that cover your food, I believe. Oh no, these are umbrella hats, eh? Check it out. Boom. Oh boy, got a party with one of those. So definitely I have that. Or you could use them to cover food. I don't know if you can see me partying with an umbrella hat on, but you can use them to cover up food when you're outside and have food. And that is fresh dates there, guys. Fresh dates. So thank you so much. We have our little stockpile here. We also got some duck that, you know, it's hard for us to get duck here in Florida. So we came back with some duck from Canada. So big up again to Robin and Sunita for helping us get all our stocks and goods here. So thank you so much. We love you guys. And on to the video. What up, guys? You're live with the White Trini. And today I'm going to do a simple, quick cook. Today I'm going to make some fried salmon, rice, cucumber, and some dhal. So let's get to it. Check it out. So here is the ingredients for the cook. So we have our canned salmon that I'm gonna fry up. All right, I already took the bones and stuff out. So that's all prepped. I have to go through the dhal, make sure there's no stones. I'll give that a quick rinse and get that started. We also have our ingredients here, some tomatoes. We have some Madame Jeanette. We have a habanero pepper, pimentos, onions, sazon, a little lime pepper sauce, and a little green seasoning. And don't forget, I have some chow there I'm gonna make up as well. So let's get to it. Check it out. So I have my dhal going here. I went ahead and added some turmeric, a little jeera. I added some garlic. I also added habanero pepper, some pimento as well, and a little bit of green seasoning, guys. So I'm gonna let that boil up, do its thing. take its time, and we're gonna get started with the salmon here frying up. I went ahead and have some oil in there heating up. We'll let that melt down and we'll get that ready to go. Here we go. So our oil's hot, nice and melted down, and then we're using coconut oil. I'm actually gonna start this off a little different. I'm gonna drop in the tomatoes first. I want that to cook down and get a little soft, so if I add it later, and it won't cook down so much and get soft. All right, so get the tomatoes going first in there. Let them do their thing. I love eating canned salmon. I really do. And it's quick to cook, guys. It's really quick to cook. You just pretty much got to clean out all the bones, as best as you can. And remember, if there's, little bits in there, when you fry it up, the bone is going to be soft. It's going to be edible. So you don't have to worry about it. It's not like, it's going to kill you or anything. All right, so we got our tomatoes going. So here, I have a whole onion, I have almost a whole pepper of Madame Jeanette, 1 habanero, and I got about like 3 pimentos. I'm gonna go ahead and just drop them in one time as well. Get all this going. I'm gonna take this to Flavor Town. I can't use that saying, Flavor Town. That's someone else's little saying. So we gotta stick to the lashing. I didn't do too good of a job getting these onions a little broke up there. I'm gonna just truncate down a bit here. Mix this up some before we add in more ingredients. So we really missed you guys and doing videos. It's just time's been busy, this and that. I mean, as you guys will see before this video premieres, we had a blast Labor Day weekend in Canada. We literally flew up, lined for 2 days, and we came back to the grind of working. It was really nice seeing family, friends, and we're gonna see some of them for Christmas when we go for Trinidad. It was really nice spending a little time. Nice little getaway from me and Shy Girl. So really had fun, and right when we were leaving is when the weather started to change. It started getting nice and cool. So we missed out on some of that cool weather. Still a little warm, not too bad though. Not like down here in Florida anyways, right? Yeah, this is smelling good. Having all the onion there. Make sure this fried salmon comes really nice. Alright, I am going to drop a little sazon. Alright, boom. There you go. Drop some of that in. Right, I'm going to drop some green seasoning also. More added flavor, guys. There's nothing wrong with adding more and more flavor. There's nothing wrong with experimenting. That's how we learn how to make things good, and this and that was from experimenting. I mean, look, the other day, I'm not sure if the video premiered yet, when we made the, what did we make for it? We made when we made the duck. So, we were used to using coconut milk and stuff, right? Or with goat or whatever. And we ended up using, going the OG way, old school, and we did the evaporated milk, which was really nice. I mean, it was different. I really liked it, enjoyed it. So maybe that's something we kind of do, switch it up time to time and do evaporated milk. Nice, very nice. I only chose to do this, guys, again, because it's usually a pretty quick cook, and I had no meat whatsoever thawed out. It would have took too long, so I'm trying to have this cooked up and pretty much ready to go when Shy Girl gets home, or close enough. So hopefully I make it on time there. This is chunking down here pretty good. Really nice aroma. Let me drop this green seasoning, guys. Nothing too crazy. A little bit. More and more added flavor. Hopefully I didn't go a little too heavy on the green seasoning, but that's all right. Once the salmon's in there, it'll be good to go. Really nice aroma. Get this mixed up real good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this chunkade down a bit. Get it mixed up, let it cooked up here real good, and we'll catch you in a little bit. We're ready to go for our salmon. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in. Right. Scoop all this out. Perfect. Go ahead and give this a good mix. Now, if you're looking for more of that kind of orange reddish color, maybe you want to drop another Sazon in there, which I probably will do. And again, it ain't gonna hurt, guys. It's more and more added flavor. And I won't forget, I gotta drop a little lime pepper sauce as well in there. That'll help take out the freshness and also give it a nice flavor enhancement there, that's for sure. All right, I'm gonna continue to mix this up. I'm gonna add in another Sazon, drop a little lime pepper sauce, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Check it out. Salmon's done. All right, I added my lime pepper sauce there. Cheese spraying, any kind of lime pepper sauce you have. I mean, homemade's the best, but went ahead and added that, right? Just a hint of salt, nothing crazy. All right, and as earlier as I said, I did add a little Sazon, so I gave it a little bit more color. Guys, this is done. Looks beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to check on our Dhal and show you guys what's going on there as well. Check it out. So our Dhal is going. I did get a little heavy on the garlic there, guys, but that's all right. That's just gonna be, you know, more flavor. If anything, it'll be a little bit strong in the garlic actual flavor part. But in the meantime, I am gonna go ahead and get some chow prepared. Now, we do our cucumber chow pretty simple. It's usually salt, black pepper, and then I like to add a little green seasoning. But when I first met Shy Girl, it was salt, black pepper, and then we just slice up some habanero peppers or whatever, or one pepper, and throw it in there and mix it up. And that would give us our heat and our little bit of, well, flavor would be just the salt and black pepper. But by adding the green seasoning, give it a little bit more flavor. Everyone has their own version. This is just a quick little version we do. We don't get too technical and stuff with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish chopping this up, get this prepped and ready for our dinner. All that's left to do is to chunky our Dhal. So I have some whole jeera in there with some slices of garlic and oil, right? So we're gonna let that fry up real good, get a little brownish black, and then we're gonna dump it in our Dhal there, and we'll be set to go for dinner. As you can see, all right, the garlic's nice and brown. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the lid here so we don't create a mess. We drop this down, lid cover on, boom. We don't want nothing pitching up, right? We don't want no mess. Beautiful. All right, that's all it takes, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up, and we'll see you guys for the final results. All right, so you know what time it is. It's shout out time. So these are the people that have been commenting on our videos, showing love, all right? So I'm showing the love back, guys, so here we go. Big up to all these people. Dashing, Diamond Reyes, Farmer Sham, Deborah Suraj, Allison Muhammad, Betty, Miss Boss Vlog, Diane Brigraj, Janet Heck, Sibachis, Vinny, Radha, Brenda Maharaj, Azisha Bola, Carol Gopal, Candice, Judy T, Lisa Faizul, Jen, Ivana, Vidya Ramjas, E.W. Williams, Sita Mobin, Sunita Jaiprasad, Susan Maharai, Life with a Jai, Gary Chung, Renata, Natasha John, Tara Ramdular, Geeta Munisar, Caro Bella, and Honey Pepper. So if you didn't hear your name, don't worry guys, it's gonna come up in a future video. I just wanna express my thanks and say thank you for your love, thank you for your support. All right, so let's get to the final results. Check it out guys, final results. So here we have our salmon, fried up salmon from the can, right? Our dal, some parboiled rice, cucumber chow. And as a special treat, I am going to do a taste test of the new Shandy colada, right? Shandy tamarind. So we're gonna try those out. I know people are like, how does he get those in the States? You gotta know people, guys. All right, let's try out our salmon, dal, and rice here. I'm excited for this. Actually, I love to eat this. Really good, simple, quick. Here we go. Wow, that packs a punch. So much flavor. I'm getting a nice garlicky taste from the dal, right? But I'm also getting that nice lime pepper sauce I put in there, right? You guys saw earlier. Really, really nice. I really enjoyed that. I'm gonna throw this down in a bit, but I wanna give you guys a taste test. We're gonna go with the tamarind, Shandy. This is limited edition, only for a short time that I know of. So let's try it out. Here goes nothing. Try that again. It don't taste like tamarind, but I kind of, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like almost like a tea or something. Almost like a tea. It tastes pretty good, not bad, not too far off of like Sorrel Shandy. That's not bad actually. Let's try the colada. Here we go. No, it tastes like pina colada now. I ruined that because I actually had one earlier, but I wanted to give a taste test for you guys. But I tried one the other day, and it tasted like beer. So I don't know. It's not bad, actually. I don't know if it's because I ate first, and then I'm trying it out, so my taste buds are a little off, guys. But, I don't know. They're not bad to me. And here I had it this one the other day, and it was like, So, not bad, guys. I mean, if they come out with some new Shandy flavors, I wouldn't mind, even if they're like summer edition. We love you. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
This is Roy.